Welcome back, guys. On 5th August 2025, in Uttarkashi village of Uttarakhand, a cloudburst has killed 4 people and several others are feared missing. Now, let us have a look at what cloudburst is. According to IMD, that is Indian Meteorological Department, cloudbursts are sudden, heavy rainstorms where more than 10 centimeter of rain falls in less than an hour over a small area of about 10 square kilometers. The keywords to be noted down are cloudbursts are heavy rainstorms. Cloudbursts are heavy rainstorms where more than 10 centimeter of rain falls in less than 1 hour over a small area of 10 square kilometer. So now that we have understood the definition of cloudburst, we'll move ahead looking into what are the causes of cloudburst. Here, as you can see in the infographics, the factors responsible for cloudbursts are warm clouds, condensation of moisture, high humid air, and orographic lifting. Moist air in the mountain rises. This rising air cools and condenses. Thereafter, clouds are developed. This violent upward flow of air prevents the condensing raindrops from falling. As the raindrops are prevented from falling down, the stored water at once falls in the forms of flash floods, which is destructive in the nature. The cloudburst, which has taken place in Uttarakashi today, has occurred in the catchment area of Khir Ganga river. As you can see, here is the Uttarkashi village, and beside this is the Bhagirathi river. Now comment down the tributaries of Ganga river. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such videos.